Hey guys, what's up? It's the 4th of July. I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday. I hope you're barbecuing and drinking it up and having a fun, safe time. I'm sorry I don't have any makeup on right now. I haven't really dressed up. I've just had a casual day barbecuing with my family and enjoying this beautiful day that we've had outside, and it's about 9:45 at night right now, and the fireworks are just starting to go off, and we're about to just get the night started. So I wanted to wish you guys a happy 4th of July, but I also wanted to tell you I have a huge haul coming up for you guys. You're gonna love it. Also, in my last video, I said about my Formspring questions. I have a ton of those questions to answer for you guys. So stay tuned and look out for my next video, okay? Like I said, have a happy 4th of July. I'm sorry for no makeup, but oh well, at least I won't look too horrible, right? Okay, have a happy 4th of July. Stay safe. Bye.